everyone, Bitsy here. Do you have time to read 1,000,000 free books? Here are 2 ways to get books to read without leaving home. Paperbackswap.com is an online book swapping club. The first step is to list books you'd like to swap with other club members. Once a book is requested, you pay to mail it to the club member. Books you request are mailed to you for free. There are over 5 million books available with no late fees and no hidden charges. Or, if you prefer eBooks, sign up at Kobo.com. They have over 1 million free titles and eBooks for purchase starting at just 99 cents. Check out the list below and get reading.